Grüß euch and welcome to this video.
In this video we will provide you information what to do when you have nose bleeding. Let's start first with the intro. There are some points you have to check when your nose bleeds.
Yeah, when your nose bleeds.
So what's the basic you should do first?
First, sit down and lean forward. So blood can go backwards into your stomach and so your stomach hurts. Okay, that's not good. Blood should go out of your nose.
So I have to sit straight up and move a little bit forward. So the pressure is not here, so the pressure is more here.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Right.
And the second thing?
Second thing is pinch your nose. So the veins in your nose are bleeding, and with your compression you can stop the bleeding.
So I use my thumb and my index finger to pinch my nose. If I do it like this, and I breathe through my mouth.
Yeah, right.
So I sit up, lean forward, pinch my nose, so the pressure is on the veins in my nose, yeah?
And compares.
And how long should I do that?
You should do it till the bleeding stops. Yeah, that's right. And if there is a long time where the bleeding is not stoppable, you should go to the doctor. Okay, then they come. Then they tamponade it in the hospital. About 8 minutes.
Yeah, so it's also important if you use some medicine for thinning your blood or some other.
Aspirin, for example, is one of these. If you had headache and you take an aspirin, acetylsalicylic acid, so this makes your blood thinner, and so the bleeding doesn't stop so good.
And to prevent rebleeding, don't blow your nose. Don't do this or be in a position with your head down.
Like a handstand. Don't do a handstand or something like that after you bleed, because that only puts the pressure on your nose again and in your head, and then it starts bleeding again. Yeah, right.
And that's
Put
not
your
good.
head up in the air.
So and you tell us before if it doesn't stop within 8 to 10 minutes or so, and you know that you bleed
more likely or often,
then you should call the doctor, or you go to a doctor to check this. Yeah, and right. You should always know which medicine you took, and so the doctor can help you. Maybe the worst thing which could happen is that the doctor does a cautery technique in your nose, so he closes the blood veins with electric and heat, with electricity and heat, and it's cauterization.
Yeah. It's a short turn what to do, but it's very important, and only the doctor can do this. So if the blood runs out, and the bleeding is not stoppable, please go to the doctor. Okay.
What about putting cold things on your head?
That's something good. You lean forward, okay? So you can put something cold in your neck.
Why?
So the neck and the nose is really far away, but the coldness of the cold one, like ice or something, makes the blood compression better because the veins get closer. So the blood doesn't run out so easily.
And I don't should lay down and put my feet. That's bad.
That's bad. Yeah, because of the blood pressure.
So the most important things is keep forward, take away the pressure from your blood veins in the nose, pinch it to. It's like when you have a wound, you do pressure on it. So it's like it's the same on the nose. You pinch your nose with your index and your thumb, and squeeze it,
and put something cold in your neck.
And put something cold in your neck. Yeah. If we hope these short informations help you with your nosebleed. When you're not sure, go to a hospital or ask your doctor,
your house doctor,
your doctor. Yeah. Don't ask always Google. Google is not always right. Listen to us. Ask your doctor if you're not sure. So yeah, if you find this information very useful,
stay tuned, subscribe, like it, share it,
leave us a comment in the comment section down below. And yeah, see you.
Bye.